one route, and if the route available on the routing table, you can advertise the default route. And if the NXOS3 doesn't find that route, it can doesn't send one default into the company. This is a command for giving a condition to the default information originate. Let me to show you, let me to review the topic. Look at here. Assume that in a scenario we have the NXOS3 and that is connected to one other router. Let me to show you with this command. We have one ISP router, this is ISP router, and connected to the NXOS3 in our scenario. And this is the OSPF routing domain. Here, OSPF routing domain. If you configure on the NXOS3 this command, for example, IP route quad 0/0 with one next hop, okay, you can use only router OSPF tag with the default information originate. You don't need to use the always command, okay? But if you don't have the static route or the default route on the NXOS3, the ASPR, you need the always, okay? If we don't have IP route, we should use the default information originate always. And this is such as the iOS. Let me to show you other items in the NXOS3. Look at here, default information originate. We have two options, always advertise default route, and also roadmap policy to control distribution of the default route. This is the configuration of the OSPF default route advertisement in NXOS. Everything is same with the configuration of default route advertisement in the, for example, iOS.